Are you looking for an easy smoothie recipe that is healthy, immune-boosting, and tastes great? Smoothies are an excellent choice when you feel like you're coming down with a cold. They're packed with nutrients and keep you hydrated. Smoothies are also a great way to add fresh produce to your diet because they're quick and easy to make. You can enjoy them as a breakfast or snack. An orange banana smoothie is a classic drink to gulp down when you're into vegan, gluten-free, plant-based, and clean-eating diets. One orange provides almost 80% of the recommended intake of vitamin C. You can sip it up for an instant immunity boost when there is a flu season. Everyone is trying to avoid getting sick right now, so a nourishing and healthy orange banana smoothie recipe can do the trick. Start your morning with a powerful, nutrient and fiber-rich orange banana smoothie to fuel up your body with a hefty dose of vitamin C. It is an easy, delicious, and dairy-free smoothie that your entire family will love. So how do you make a dairy-free orange banana smoothie? It's incredibly simple and requires only 3 ingredients plus water. To make this refreshing orange banana smoothie, you will need the following ingredients: 4 peeled oranges, 1 frozen banana, 1/2 cup of frozen coconut cubes, 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of raw honey if you want extra sweetness. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Add the peeled oranges, banana, frozen coconut cubes, and water to a high-speed blender. 2. Process it on high for 4 to 5 seconds or until the mixture is thoroughly blended. The texture should be thick and creamy. 3. Serve immediately. Tips for making this orange banana smoothie recipe. 1. You can easily prepare for this recipe ahead of time by placing your frozen banana in a resealable storage bag and popping it in the freezer. 2. Store any leftovers in a covered container for up to 48 hours. 3. Vegans can use maple syrup or pitted dates instead of honey. 4. For additional add-ins, you could use ice cubes and a few tablespoons of your favorite protein powder, hemp seeds, or ground flax meal to add healthy fat and mouthfeel. You can also top it with a bit of whipped coconut cream to make it a delightful dessert. 5. You can substitute a different form of coconut for the cubes, like coconut flakes if you prefer coconut in thin shavings. To substitute, use about 1/4 cup since the flakes are dried. Then add a few ice cubes to ensure that the smoothie is nice and chilled. Trying to stay healthy is a constant battle, especially during the winter months. But this orange blend will give you the power you need to fight off any cold or flu this season. So, the next time you feel a cold coming on, or you just need a health boost, try this orange banana smoothie for your immune system to make your body and taste buds happy. Have you ever tried this recipe? Tell us in the comments below. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.